Have you ever heard someone say, it's raining cats and dogs, and wondered what it means? English is full of idioms that native speakers use every day. And if you don't understand them, you might feel lost in a conversation. But don't worry. In this video, I'll teach you 10 must-know English idioms that will make you sound more fluent and natural. Before we start, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive in. Idioms are phrases that don't have a literal meaning but are commonly used in English. For example, if I say, break a leg, I don't actually mean you should break your leg. It means good luck. Now, let's check out 10 idioms you must know for daily conversations. 1. Break a leg, meaning good luck. Example, you have a big test tomorrow? Break a leg. You two spill the beans, meaning reveal a secret. Example, Lisa spilled the beans about the surprise party. 3. Hit the sack, meaning go to sleep. Example, I'm so tired, I need to hit the sack early tonight. 4. Piece of cake, meaning something very easy. Example, the test was a piece of cake. I finished it in 10 minutes. 5. Under the weather, meaning feeling sick. Example, I can't go out today. I'm feeling a bit under the weather. 6. Cost an arm and a leg, meaning very expensive. Example, that designer bag costs an arm and a leg. 7. Once in a blue moon, meaning very rarely. Example, I eat fast food only once in a blue moon. 8. Hit the books, meaning study hard. Example, I have an exam tomorrow, so I need to hit the books tonight. 9. Bite the bullet, meaning do something difficult or unpleasant. Example, I hate public speaking, but I have to bite the bullet and do it. Pull someone's leg, meaning joke or tease someone. Example, are you serious or are you just pulling my leg? Now you know 10 common idioms. Let's do a quick quiz. Can you make a sentence using cost an arm and a leg? Comment below and let me know. Idioms are an awesome way to make your English sound more natural. Which idiom was your favorite? Comment below. And if you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more fun English learning videos. See you next time.